What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So a while back, like maybe a month or so before I started the channel, my mom asked me if we could make some ornaments. And I was like, sure, yeah, let's do it. They are retirement gifts for some of the ladies at her work. And let me tell y'all, those are some of the sweetest teachers ever. I don't do ornaments a ton, but they are really fun to do. Personally, I would rather do something like a mural or something a little bit on the larger scale, but ornaments work really well as like little gifts, and they're really fast to do. This is not in real time. They're not only a minute to make. They're normally between like 5 and 15 minutes to make, and I think I made 6 that night. Anyways, murals can take anywhere between like an hour and even several days to get done, depending on how detailed you want to be with it. So time-wise, ornaments are normally a lot faster. Y'all don't mind the dogs in the back, they're just having fun and playing. Anyways, I do everything so last minute, so I was in a bit of a crunch. But thankfully, I was able to get them all done. Here is the finished product. Do y'all think I should add some color in the future? Let me know in the comments. That's all for now. Bye!